Falmouth rocked by a double murder. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police on Thursday blamed the murder of two Masons from St. Anne on migration of people from other parishes who take up residence in informal settlements and are allegedly responsible for a rise in crime in Trelawney. The police have stated that due to the booming construction sector in Trelawney, it has attracted more people to the parish. The police have identified the deceased as Siobhan Williams and Fabian Williams from Grant Park area of Brownstown in the neighboring parish of St. Anne. The police have stated that just for about 3 months they had been residing in an informal settlement just off Peel Street in Falmouth. Police report that at around 3 a.m. residents heard gunshot coming from a section of Peel Street, Falmouth, and summoned the police. Upon the arrival of the police, they found the Masons suffering from gunshot wounds. They were both taken to hospital where they succumbed to their injuries on arrival. No motives has so far been established for this deadly attack. Acting Commander of the Trelawney Police Division, Deputy Superintendent Winston Milton, said that there is no evidence to suggest that the two individuals were involved in any criminal activities. The DSP further stated that in recent time they have seen a significant amount of migrants that are moving into other spaces in order to secure work. He further added that some of the migrants are victims of serious violent crimes, or they themselves have been involved in the commission of serious crimes and other violent crimes. Meanwhile, he called on anyone with information that can assist the police in the apprehension of these perpetrators is being asked to contact the Trelawney Police. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.